This will be the first of several episodes documenting my attempt to build my own DIY four-wheel camper-inspired camper for my Tacoma. Here are a couple clean Tacomas I used for inspiration for my design. I hope you follow along as I navigate my way through this complicated process. Check out some clips from future episodes at the end of this video. I tried to use lightweight materials that when combined together would be strong and durable. This is 5mm birch plywood and 1.5 inch rigid insulation. Once I had my sidewall template, I traced it out and cut it out. Next, I framed it out with 1.5 inch pine. I used plenty of nails and plenty of wood glue to keep it together. I plan to waterproof this paneling is to use marine grade Interlux wood sealer and paint. I've used it in the past with great success. This is Foamular 150 rigid insulation. You can get it at your local Lowe's. This combined with lots of glue will make this sidewall very strong and very light. The foam is easily cut with a handsaw and sand smooth with little effort. Be sure to test fit all of your pieces before gluing. I use Type Bond 2 premium wood glue and an old paintbrush to spread the glue on the paneling. I coated every surface with a thin layer of glue. I then added the foam and placed heavy weights on top of the foam for several hours while the glue dried. I use ice chests filled with water to put pressure on the foam as the glue set up. At 17 pounds, the sidewall was very rigid and very strong. Check out these previews from upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you follow along.